So we got our Plan B permit. You see that little square of green on the left? We would have climbed all of that this afternoon to the top and 2 miles more. Because there's a buffer zone 4 miles within a road, you can't go there.
We're going to squeeze through this bridge. We're going to have to go up on the curb just a little bit because it's really tight.
We gotta swing back that way, so I'm not going to get on the other side of the bridge. Probably.
Hey, that was pretty good. We made it. Yay! I guess all that truck driving paid off. All right, we are almost there, guys.
Oh, look at where it's coming out just a little bit in the rock.
Ooh, that's really cool.
What's one more? Oh, does it?